So firstly, I would like to bring to your notice is that, sir, up till now we haven't received a single answer for the issues which has been raised in zero
I'll
hours.
review it in the afternoon.
Sir, I'm raising this issue once again, sir. I've already raised the same issue, and once again I'm raising, sir. This is about,
I'll review it in the afternoon.
sir, this is about the Urdu residential junior colleges, sir. Sir, I had raised the issue, sir. The minister was kind enough. He had convened a meeting, sir. We have 4 Urdu residential junior colleges, sir. 1 in Guntur, the 2 in Kurnool, sir. 3rd in Nizamabad, 4th in Hyderabad, sir. Sir, the mode of admission into these colleges is through an entrance test, sir. The eligibility for the entrance test is 60%, sir. Sir, in that regard, I had requested that very few numbers of students have 60% marks. So please cancel that entrance test and through merit, please admit the students, sir. Sir, the meeting was conducted, it was decided, and again, the minister had requested me saying that there are no Urdu students there, no takers there in the junior residential college. So we will convert this Urdu residential college, we'll keep a Urdu residential college, junior college, and as well we'll convert this into English residential college, and this would be only for the minority students, sir. Sir, in that regard, I had requested the Honorable Minister to please give an admissions to 60%, 50% or 40% according to merit so that the Urdu students could be filled in the residential colleges. But this was said yes in the meeting, but the instructions which were given to the authorities were in other lines, sir, with which they started a parallel English medium junior college, sir. With this, sir, Urdu is getting finished. Not only that, sir, the English medium students who came or Telugu medium students who came in this English medium junior college, sir, in that Urdu residential college, sir, in that, when the students wanted to take Urdu as a second language, sir, they were denied that also, sir. And they were forced, sir, I'll just finish, sir. They were forced to take Sanskrit, sir. And when the students objected in Guntur, and the principal of the Guntur college objected, said that no, the students do not want to go for Sanskrit, they want to go for Urdu as a second language, the English medium and Telugu medium. On this agitation, sir, yesterday the Guntur principal was suspended from his job and duties, sir. Sir, what is this, sir? When we raise an issue in this house, we have a meeting with the minister, and an Urdu teacher says that let the teachers take in Urdu as a second language. He's issued a suspension order, sir. And with those orders, he has been asked to stay at the headquarters, sir. In Kurnool also, same thing happened, sir. Yesterday, 79 admissions were taken place, sir. Not Urdu medium, sir. Telugu medium and English medium, sir. And again, they were forced to take Sanskrit, sir. Yeah, and today in Hyderabad, sir, in my constituency, sir, Urdu residential junior college admissions are going on, sir. Urdu medium students are denied. English medium students have been getting admission there. And again, they have been asked not to take Urdu, but to take Sanskrit as second language, sir. Sir, is this justice, sir? क्या ये इंसाफ है साहब उर्दू के साथ? या मुसलसल उर्दू के साथ नाइंसाफी क्यों साहब? हम एक मसले को यहाँ उठाते हैं, उसके बाद में ये दिलचस्पी है साहब ये हुकूमत की।
एग्जामिन करो
आप सर, मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा साहब के फौरन वो सस्पेंशन ऑर्डर जो दिए मिनिस्टर को, उसको जो मिनिस्टर साहब जो दिए हैं साहब, वो प्रिंसिपल को गुंटूर के उसको कैंसिल करना चाहिए साहब। ये नाइंसाफी है साहब। एक उर्दू का टीचर उर्दू के किसके लिए बोलेगा साहब? बोले तो उसको निकाल दिए साहब वहां से।
सब नोट कर लिया हूं, उसका रिप्लाई भेज देते।
Right.
जी हाँ।
Please. You have a meeting with the minister, I'll tell him.